Hey guys, we've got a little bit of this market shaking around here. If we see Aussie dollar kind of run up into this 44, 45 area, I would just wait and see if we can, if there's enough momentum behind it to push it through up into the 60s. Then maybe Aussie dollar, one could sell it there. You can see the Aussie has been a lot better behaved overall than both the euro and the pound, as it's kind of stayed within this little range here of this toppish area of where we are, toppish 30s. It was the high, they were kind of the highs earlier, and then we kind of did a little bit of a false breakout, and then we came back, and we've managed to stay pretty range bound in here for a while. We were hoping to see that black PMD tested, which would have been down at around the 01 level. Didn't quite make it, kind of stuck this tight little range between, let's say, mid-30s where we are now, down to the 10-12 level, whereas euro-dollar has definitely been somewhat on a trend after really doing really well early during the London session. It's kind of started to give back some of that, and you can see we're kind of slowly working our way down, and we were hoping to see it test this 20 or so, mid to low teens. Didn't quite make it, bounced from this previous low in the mid-20s. And pound dollar, this definitely, this kind of move here is one that can really drive traders crazy. Josh took this trade here. Actually, he timed this one beautifully. And our matrix, I mean, it told us we had a refuel trade there. He got in it at 64. A few minutes later, he was out with almost 20 points on that. I kind of saw a little bit of a different setup. It was actually similar to what we have here right now with the euro dollar. The way this was set up, the only thing, it was to the downside. So we had a 1 minute pointing down, 5 minutes are pointing down. We had gaps in our 5 minutes. And the moment I saw the pound dollar give us a refuel trade, a signal, I went ahead and got in on the euro, sold it at just about 58, cashed out down here at the 28, picked up almost 30 on that. I mean, that was actually right in here is where I went short on the euro dollar, cashed out down here. And again, this is a very much an advanced trade, the one that you guys probably would have seen, the majority of you guys would have seen the refuel on pound dollar just up here, where actually Josh went short on his at 64 and collected nice on that. Again, we've been waiting for black PMDs on euro and pound to be tested. They quite haven't on the downside nor on the upside. Well, Aussie kind of tested this mid-40s a while ago, but that's been pretty much it. So right now we've got a little bit of a quiet market. Wouldn't mind seeing this euro again down here at the 23 to 16.12 area, somewhere in here, to try to get a long position on that, try to scalp points on it. Or Aussie dollar down here at 01 to big figure. A lot is going on for the Aussie dollar at this level. Although if it was to get here, keep in mind that would be a breakout out of this range that it's been in for a couple of hours. Actually, a lot more than a couple of hours. It's been in this range for about 4 hours now. So if it does break that, again, we could use big figure as an area, possibly a fake breakout, or at least an attempt to break a breakout and then come back, retest this area up here at 12, 10 or so, possibly higher, and then if anything, it might continue afterwards if it's going to be a real breakout. But at this time of the day, in terms of news that's going on, not a lot's happening. I'm looking at the Dow, and I don't see really a continuation of any kind of breakout at this time. Again, if we get a test of these ranges, you see off of our PMDs here, our black PMDs, and a lot of Fibonacci walls and so forth, that would kind of give us a nice possible trade there. So